Understanding sun protection, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the term sun protection. Understanding this phrase is not only helpful for language development but also for your health and safety. Let's dive in. Sun protection refers to the methods or measures taken to shield the skin from harmful effects of the sun's ultraviolet UV rays. This phrase is commonly used in health, beauty, and outdoor activity contexts. We protect ourselves from the sun to prevent sunburn, skin aging, and other more serious health risks like skin cancer. There are various ways to protect yourself from the sun. Sunscreen, a cream or lotion applied to the skin that absorbs or reflects some of the sun's UV rays. Clothing, wearing hats, long-sleeved shirts, and pants can physically block UV rays. Sunglasses, protects your eyes from UV rays, which can harm your vision over time. Shade, staying under trees, umbrellas, or other shelters during peak sun hours, usually between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Sun protection is vital for several reasons. Prevents skin damage. UV rays can cause sunburn and long-term damage like wrinkles and age spots. Reduces cancer risk. Prolonged exposure to UV rays increases the risk of skin cancer. Eye protection. Protects the eyes from cataracts and other vision issues. SPF in sunscreens. SPF stands for sun protection factor. The higher the SPF, the more protection it offers. Clothing with UV protection. Some clothes are designed specifically for sun protection with a UPF, ultraviolet protection factor, rating. Sunglasses and UV ratings. Look for sunglasses that block 99% to 100% of UVA and UVB rays. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and methods of sun protection. Remember, staying safe in the sun is not just about comfort, it's about your health. Stay protected and keep learning. See you in our next video.